Hello guys, today I am going to show you how to clean your Windows and make your PC faster. When we use our PC for long times, it becomes slower for many reasons like temporary files, junks, etc. Now I am going to show you how to clean your PC. First, right run on the start menu and type there temp like temp and click OK. Now we can see a new window. Those are all unnecessary files which we don't need. Just select all of them and click on delete. Don't worry about this will not delete any necessary files. Now again go to the start menu and type run and click on it. Now again you have to write percentage temp percentage and click on OK. Here you can see that a new window will pop up and you have to select all of them and click on delete. Those are all unnecessary files which you don't need. Now again go to the start menu and type run and click on it. Now you have to write prefetch prefetch and click on OK. Click on continue. Again you can see a list of junks. So don't worry about them, just select all of them and click on delete. Okay, now we have to uninstall some unnecessary apps. Those takes large number of space from your PC drives. Now right add or remove settings and click on it. Now you can uninstall some apps which you think you don't need. Find some unnecessary apps and uninstall them. Okay, now click on recycle bin. Actually, here are all the files which we delete or remove from our PC. We don't need them. Also, they take a large number of space from your drives. So select all of them and click on empty recycle bin. Okay, now it's time to optimize our C drives. Click right on it and go to properties. And then select tools and optimize. Here you can see that I have 0% fragmented on my C drives, so I don't have to click on optimize. But if you have at least 1% of fragmented, then you have to click on optimize. Now go to a start menu and write disk cleanup and click on it. From this window you have to select C drives and click on it. Now you have to select all of them and click on clean up system files. Again you have to select C drives and select all of them. Don't worry, it will delete the trash and junk files from your PC. Click on OK and delete files. It will remove all the unnecessary things from your PC. If you guys follow those steps, I hope you can clean and make your PC more than faster ever. Please guys subscribe my channel and click on bell icon.